worry, you can
Okay, this is the Tin Roof Pub here at Firevolt Festival with Sons of Liberty. Behind the bar.
Yeah.
What a strange coincidence to see you there.
It's a very alien experience.
We don't drink normally, do we?
don't drink
never,
at
ever.
all, no. Layla's a bad influence on us. To be honest.
Although someone did someone did say that we're in pole position to be sponsored by Jack Daniels.
They did actually recently, yes.
Really?
Yes.
I don't drink, I've got ginger beer. So.
Okay, there's nothing wrong with ginger beer. I like a bit of ginger beer. Well, then you've become the next member of Sons of Liberty.
You have. Layla is on stage with us earlier. She's
my Padawan.
Padawan, yeah. Our inspiration.
It's very enjoyable.
Yeah,
she smashed it. Didn't you?
I've got to say, you sounded superb. I mean, I saw you in Exeter about a month ago.
Yeah.
And you doubled that. You blew that performance out of the water. I mean, today was just superb.
Thank you.
So you seem on fire now, guys.
Yeah, we're very much enjoying life at the moment.
Very much enjoying everything. Layla's doing an interview.
Yeah, Layla's doing. Yeah. Layla's mum's just turned up. Yeah, wondering what's going on. Layla in a bar. Okay, Layla. What do you want to ask these guys?
Thank you for signing my teeth.
So she said thank you for signing her jacket. We did sign it on the arm there.
It's a pleasure.
Zoom in.
Don't wash it. Don't ever wash it.
You can't wash it there.
I don't.
You don't. Proper festival goer right there.
It's got a patch.
Yeah, I know.
Right next to Looney Tunes.
We are signed next to Looney Tunes, which I think
instead of our own patch.
Oh, you know you've made it.
Yeah, I think that's ironic.
Great jacket.
Okay, so what's going on with the Suns camp then? Now, you must have some news for me.
Dave loves a bit of news.
He likes to speak.
I tell you what though, August is a good month though, isn't it?
It's all got to be mixed and mastered. Yeah. So that'll come out next year. We've got a couple of singles coming out.
Ooh.
We
August
we
is a
can
good
tell
month.
you we've got stuff coming in interesting in August.
August is a good month.
Well, we are in August, so you can tell me now.
We are in August, you're right.
Yeah.
It's not the
It's a
beginning
good
of
month.
August.
We've got
It's only a couple of weeks left.
interesting at the end of August.
You only have to wait 31 days in August, don't you?
Yes.
What day is it today? 11th? 12th?
11th.
Yeah, so I've
It's only
got another couple of
31
weeks.
days
3
in
weeks.
August.
Yeah, so that's as much scoop as you're going to get.
Oh, you're rubbish.
We know you, Dave. Layla's trustworthy.
If Layla would have asked, we would have told her, but it's too late now.
Nobody listens to this.
If Layla would have said, when's the single coming out, I would have told her, but it's too late now.
Layla, ask them when the next single
Oh,
is
sorry,
coming.
too late now.
Name? Title?
I think everyone knows what the title is.
I think everyone knows what time it
The
is.
single is called Time to Fly.
Well, there you go. We have a scoop of this.
You have a scoop.
And it is Time to Fly.
Yeah, you can have that.
All right, okay. I'm not going to get any more, am I?
No. Layla might, but no, you
Yeah.
Later, I might tell her later off camera.
Okay. Well, I think you've got other interviews booked as well, so we should wrap it up. And I think Layla's getting a little bit intoxicated with the fumes from your bar.
She bought the beer, whatever.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Thank you very much.
Cheers,
Superb
Dave.
performance today.
Good evening.
Is it even evening?
It's not evening yet, no. We are here. We are Sons of Liberty, and we are here interviewing the Cyderbaby team. How are you all, okay?
Yeah, I've been better.
Why is that, Dave? Why is that?
I'm on the wrong side of that microphone.
It's annoying, isn't it?
It is
It's
very
a bit
annoying.
frustrating as well, isn't it?
Now, how do you mean?
Do you feel a bit tense?
I feel like this is
I'm very tense at the moment. Yes.
Me too.
You're tense as well.
Too, are you?
Well, Lena, I think you're the best one out of the team, if I'm honest, because you were on stage earlier, were you not? Did you have
Yes.
fun?
Yeah,
How much fun did you have?
a lot.
A lot of fun. Layla, by the way, is the new Sons of Liberty singer. In plenty of years to come, I'd like to
You
add.
sure about
When
that?
her Jana tones have that would
Good chat. So, Dave,
Yes.
can you tell me anything that's coming in the pipeline we need to know about?
No,
Nothing.
nothing
Nothing at all. You have a new radio show.
I have a new radio station.
I stand corrected.
Yes,
This is a scoop. This is a scoop. A new radio station. What is it called?
It's Rock Radio UK.
Rock Radio UK.
Yes.
We know. We've heard of this.
Yes. Thank you very much, sir. I have loads of fantastic DJs and hosts. All listen to it. It's rockradio.co.uk. That's rock-radio.
Oh, there's a plug if ever I've heard
Oh,
of it. I thought we were
yes, yes.
interviewing. Were we not?
I thought we
I've got to sell my wares, just like you.
Right, so what's coming up? What's new for Rock Radio?
Well, I've got the Cyderbaby breakfast show. Well, it's the all-day breakfast show now. Because it gets repeated sometimes at night. Mainly just to fill gaps. And also, because we have such a worldwide audience, it could be midday somewhere else and 5 o'clock in the afternoon
It's
somewhere
5 o'clock
else.
somewhere.
Yeah, 5 o'clock somewhere.
It's 5 o'clock somewhere.
I'm not saying, though, that I have a cider when I do the breakfast show.
You are such a liar. Cyderbaby team. Obviously, there is a lot more that goes on to just this man and this face on the show.
This beautiful
There is
face,
a
I
team.
hasten to add.
There is a massive team that helps out.
We must mention Oren, who's not here
What, you
today.
mean the women behind him?
That's what he said.
Yeah, that's what he says.
The women behind the scene are here.
We are.
Are you all happy with what's going on
Well,
and where you are in the world?
maybe.
Well, that's the first she agreed to that. I'm glad I got that on camera.
It was all right until we got here.
It was all right until you got here. Okay.
Yeah.
It was
Hour and a half
peaceful.
sorting out his tent after 3 days away. For 3 days, isn't it?
I don't know. I was in such a blissful
I
state
put my
of.
tent up properly.
Did you though?
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
Oh.
Didn't put the pegs where they're supposed to
They
go.
expected
Were
me
they
to put
supposed
their
to go or
tent
put
up.
them in at all?
I did put them in. It didn't blow
Thankfully,
away.
there were a few. And the windows were open with the net. So there
I was
rain
letting the
allowed.
flies out.
And the rain was going to come in.
The gazebo's flying away over there, by the way.
Yeah, I can imagine. But
Right.
that's another story.
Anyway, we're here at Firevolt. What are you looking forward to the rest of the weekend? I mean, obviously your favourite band's already played, so
Yeah, I mean, Hollister were amazing.
Who are we listening to later?
Maybe Sons of Liberty.
massive wagons.
And
Royal Public.
Royal
Oh,
Republic.
have you got anything signed by them all yet?
Oh, yes, all on the jacket.
Yes, you have.
Got
All on
Royal
the jacket.
Republic.
On the jacket. This is the Cyderbaby battle jacket.
There's some strange crew signing that.
I don't know who that is. The Looney Tunes? By
Yeah,
the way.
Looney Tunes,
Looks
yeah.
like that. Well, thank you so much for the interview. It's been an
That's quite
absolute
good.
pleasure.
Thank you. Thank you.
I wish you the best in the future with the rock show and the interview stuff. You do very well. Do you want me to give you an exclusive scoop on Sons of Liberty?
Yes, please. Yes,
Yeah,
please.
we do.
Oh, we've run out of tape. Sorry. Bye.